What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and get started with today's video. I have a new wig sent to me from Luvme Hair to try on for you all. The packaging comes with a custom mesh storage bag to store your wigs in, a set of HD wig caps, a custom elastic edge band, some box labels to make for easy storage, a custom rat tail comb, a custom edge brush, and a how-to guide and info card. Alright, this is the 360 water wave wig from Luvme Hair. It has lace going all around the perimeter. It does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. This wig also comes in 6 different lengths. The wig that I currently have is 22 inches long. Now this is not a glueless unit, but the cap does come with 4 separate combs. There are 2 combs on both sides, 1 comb in the middle, and 1 comb in the back. It also comes with an attached elastic band and adjustable straps. The adjustable straps in the back are covered under the lace so that you can wear the hair up without any of the cap showing. So my goal was to make this install beginner friendly and easy to follow. Right, I started off cleaning my forehead with some micellar water. Then I slicked all of my edges back using the Evan 24-hour edge tamer. And my hair was already previously braided because I've been wearing wigs all week. You do not have to braid your hair down, but you do want to make sure that it is as flat as possible. Now I will be using the HD wig cap that came in the packaging to create my bald cap. A bald cap is not necessary, but it does help in blending the lace throughout the wig. You want to put the wig cap over your forehead and your ears and then cut small holes for your ears to fit through. Once the cap is on, seal it using some hairspray. I used the Ebin Lace Adhesive Spray and then I blow dried it on the cool setting. Please disregard any faces you see me making. I tend to look upset when I'm focused, but I assure you this was all painless. Now, moving on. Once the wig cap is fully dried, you'll want to slowly start cutting off the excess. And I like to cut as close to my hairline as possible, making sure to mimic my actual hairline. And this can be a tedious process, but you really want to make sure that you take your time. You don't want to mess this up. You want to get the bald cap to mimic your natural hairline as much as possible. And in case you're wondering what to do with the extra cap that you cut off, I like to just double tie it and tuck it in the back. I promise you won't even notice it. And then to make sure that the wig cap is super flat in the front, I spray some more of that hairspray on the end of my comb and I smooth down the edges of the cap with the blow dryer on cool. Now, before installing the wig, you want to make sure you tint or color the lace somehow. I'm using the Ebin Lace Tint Spray in the shade medium dark brown. You can use makeup or dye, but this is just a lot quicker. And I simply spray that all over the lace areas of this wig. Then I let that dry for a bit so it's not, transferring everywhere. And the next step is very important, especially if you have sensitive skin. I'm going to prep my skin with a skin protectant. This one is from Ebin and it's going to help prevent any irritation from the glue and the sprays. You also want to let that dry before moving on, okay? And to finish off the bald cap, I'm going to spray it with the lace tint spray. Again, you could use makeup, but this is just a lot faster. If you are going to use a spray on your wig cap, make sure you're protecting your face and wash your hair really well whenever you remove the wig. And now I look like an almond joy. Before gluing on your wig, you definitely want to try it on first. I have a small head and an irregular hairline, so I definitely need to see where things line up. And once I have a general idea of what things will look like, then I go in with the glue. I'm using the Ebin Lace Glue. I think this is the extra strong or something like that. And I'm going to place little dots of glue all along my hairline. Now, I use the end of my comb to spread it out because I couldn't find my spatula. But in hindsight, my fingers would have been just fine. So you can use your fingers to spread the glue. Just make sure to clean them when you're done. And you want to make sure that you spread the glue thin and let it dry down until it's clear. I used 2 layers of glue, and if you're going to blow dry the glue, make sure you use the blow dryer on the cool setting. Once the glue has dried clear, go ahead and place the wig. I like to start with the sides. I do one side at a time, and to help secure the lace, I also use the Ebon Lace Melting Spray, and I blow dry that in place. Now, this was my first time using this melting spray, and I really liked it, but forewarning, if you decide to use this melting spray, it does have some drip, okay? It's a little runny, so use it lightly. And again, you want to blow dry that in place on the cool setting. And I said it earlier, but I do have an irregular hairline, so I did end up parting off some of the extra hair, and I cut it off. I did not get footage of me cutting off the hairline because my camera turned off and I didn't notice, but I just parted up to where my natural hairline is. I sprayed some of that lace melting spray in the part, like along the part, and then I cut the lace. Now, you will not see how long it took me to do that in this video because I shortened it, for people's attention span. But definitely take your time cutting the lace. You want to get it as close to the hairline as possible. I sped up the clips, but it definitely took me a minute to cut the lace on this wig. It's essential that you're taking your time because if you cut too much, you can't put it back. So definitely make sure that you're taking your time. And once you've gotten everything dried down, go ahead and secure it with an elastic band. And because this is a curly water wave unit, I decided to use my conditioner that I use on my natural hair. It is the IT 12-in-1 leave-in keratin conditioner. It's really good stuff. And I just sprayed that all over the wig just to give the curls a little refresh. And I did not do baby hair on this unit. I did really like the clean hairline that it came with. But I do have naturally long sideburns, so I wanted to imitate that with this wig. I ended up cutting some long sideburns, and I also cut some short hairs along the back. Now, you do have the option of gluing the lace down in the back, but it's not necessary. What I did was tighten the adjustable straps and then cut some short hairs so that the lace was fully covered. And you can't see anything. It looks super realistic and it saved so much time. So if you don't want to glue down the back, then you can wear it this way. And that's pretty much it for the install. Like I mentioned earlier, this wig can be styled and parted anywhere within the lace area. You can part it down the middle, you can part it on the sides, you can wear the hair up in a high ponytail, or you can do a messy bun. I even did 2 little pigtails on the sides. There really is a lot that you can do with this wig, not to mention you can straighten it if you decide to get tired of the curls. And then to get the curls back, all you would have to do is wash it or wet it. I really enjoyed this unit. It's definitely not for everybody. If you prefer a simpler wig option, there is a whole playlist of wigs on my channel, so you should definitely go check that out. Also, Luvme Hair has some amazing glueless wigs, so check out their website if you want more options from them. If you are interested in purchasing this wig specifically, the direct link will be down in the description along with my personal coupon code. If you decide to shop with Luvme Hair, definitely use the code at the checkout to save some money on your orders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to gain some useful tips for your wig installs. If you do decide to use any of these wig installation tips, let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you have any questions or need any more tips and suggestions, definitely reach out for that as well. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and wellness content. Also, head over to my TikTok and Instagram for wig updates and some more personal content. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.